Hello and welcome back to Sephia Spaces, where architecture meets atmosphere and every home tells a story worth experiencing. Today, we're exploring a stunning modern forest retreat, an architectural masterpiece that blends raw nature with refined design. Surrounded by towering trees and layered greenery, this home feels like a sanctuary suspended between earth and sky. Let's step into this cinematic journey together. From the street view, the hull emerges like a hidden architectural sculpture. The structure rises with confidence, clean lines, dark steel framing, and warm wood textures, creating a striking contrast against the lush green surroundings. The living roof overflows with cascading plants, softening the geometry and making the home feel alive, almost as if it's growing naturally from the land. As the camera slowly glides forward, the perspective reveals multiple levels, each thoughtfully positioned to embrace light, air, and the surrounding forest. There's a sense of mystery here. The pathway leading toward the home curves gently along the natural slope of the land, guiding you through layers of greenery. Gravel crunches softly underfoot, and ferns and low plants frame the journey, creating a tactile and immersive approach. The driveway below is tucked discreetly beneath the structure, allowing the upper levels to feel light and elevated. Every step forward reveals more of the home's architectural complexity: glass walls reflecting the forest, wooden panels adding warmth, and shadows shifting with the movement of light. Standing before the home, the full design comes into focus. The combination of wood, glass, and dark metal create a balanced harmony between modern minimalism and organic warmth. Vertical greenery climbs along the walls, softening the edges and blending the structure into its environment. Large windows stretch across both levels, inviting natural light deep into the interior while reflecting the surrounding forest like a mirror. The cantilever terrace extends outward, adding a sense of openness and lightness. This is a home that doesn't dominate its surroundings, it coexists with them. The outdoor deck feels like a floating platform within the trees. Warm wooden flooring contrasts beautifully with the cool tones of the steel structure, while soft string lights above create a welcoming ambiance. Comfortable seating areas are arranged with intention, offering spaces for both quiet reflection and social gatherings. From here, the forest becomes your backdrop, leaves swaying gently, filtered sunlight dancing across surfaces, and a quiet stillness that invites you to pause. It's the kind of space where time slows down, where mornings begin with soft light and evenings end under a canopy of stars. Inside, the living room is bathed in natural light, framed by expansive glass walls that dissolve the boundary between interior and exterior. The design is minimal yet deeply inviting. Soft furnishings, neutral tones, and warm textures creating a calm and grounded atmosphere. The forest becomes a living artwork, constantly changing with the seasons and time of day. Subtle lighting adds depth as evening approaches, while the openness of the space allows air and energy to flow freely. It's not just a room, it's an experience of living within nature. The dining area continues the open concept flow, positioned perfectly to capture both interior warmth and exterior views. A long wooden table anchors the space, surrounded by modern seating that feels both elegant and comfortable. Overhead lighting casts a soft glow, enhancing the natural textures and creating an intimate atmosphere. Meals here feel elevated, not just by the design, but by the connection to the environment. Whether it's a quiet dinner or a gathering with friends, the space adapts effortlessly, always maintaining a sense of calm sophistication. The kitchen is a seamless blend of functionality and refined design. Clean lines, integrated storage, and natural materials create a space that feels both modern and timeless. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room, making every movement feel lighter and more intentional. The layout is open yet efficient, designed to support both daily living and entertaining. Subtle details like wood green textures and matte finishes add depth without overwhelming the simplicity. It's a space where design enhances experience, turning everyday moments into something more meaningful. Moving upstairs, the loft area opens into a versatile space that feels both connected and private. Overlooking the main living area below, it creates a visual dialogue between levels, enhancing the sense of openness. The design remains consistent: clean lines, warm materials, and expansive views of the forest. This space can adapt to different needs: a quiet reading nook, a creative studio, or a secondary lounge. The elevated position offers a new perspective where the treetops feel closer and the world below fades away. The rooftop terrace is perhaps the most breathtaking feature of the home. Surrounded by greenery and framed by the forest canopy, it offers a panoramic view that feels both expansive and intimate. The living roof integrates seamlessly with the terrace, creating a lush, layered environment where architecture and nature merge completely. Soft lighting enhances the atmosphere as the sun begins to set, while the open sky above adds a sense of freedom. It's a space designed for reflection, for connection, and for moments that feel suspended in time. The master bedroom is a private retreat, designed with simplicity and tranquility in mind. Large windows frame the forest, allowing natural light to gently fill the space throughout the day. The palette remains soft and neutral, with textures that invite comfort and rest. Every detail feels intentional, from the placement of the bed to the flow of light and air. It's a room that prioritizes peace above all else. The bathroom continues the theme of quiet luxury, combining natural materials with modern simplicity. Stone textures, warm wood, and soft lighting create a spa-like atmosphere that feels both calming and refined. Large glass panels or windows allow light to filter in, connecting the space to the outside while maintaining privacy. Water, light, and texture come together to create a sensory experience that goes beyond function. It becomes a moment of daily retreat. As night falls, the home transforms into a glowing sanctuary within the forest. Warm interior lights shine through the glass walls, creating a beautiful contrast against the dark surrounding trees. The outdoor lights softly illuminate the outdoor spaces, while the reflections on glass surfaces add depth and movement. The atmosphere becomes quiet, almost cinematic, like a scene suspended in time. The house feels alive, breathing softly within the stillness of the night. Thank you for exploring this incredible forest retreat with us here on Sephia Spaces. This home is more than just architecture, it's a seamless connection between design and nature, a place where every detail is crafted to create harmony and peace. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic home experiences. Until next time, stay inspired with Sephia Spaces.